Dave here, and in this WordPress tutorial I'm going to show you the WordPress dashboard area and how you can do what you like with it, really. It's standard on every WordPress installation you get, and you can't break it. You can't do anything with it at all that will be detrimental to your blog. So the first thing that you do when you're in this area is you'll see down here at the left hand side, you'll see all the various bits and links to pages, your settings, and all of these you can click on, and we'll go through these individually one by one so that you know what's what, but not in this specific video. But what you can do is you'll see here everything that you've got. It's your dashboard. It's that dashboard admin area. Call it what you want, and you can do with this what you want. Now, if I pull this over here, you can see I've got here the Analytify. Analytify is a Google WordPress plugin for Google Analytics. I like to have it on my site, and it tells me that it's authenticated. So, and I've authenticated my profile. I don't want to see that anymore. So over here, I can click that. Excuse me. Click that, and that gets rid of that there. Now, this then tells you what is. Let's just come back, pull this across here for you so you can see. And we can get that to there. This then tells you what you've got at a glance. You've got one post, 16 pages, and I'm running the Astra theme. There'll be more about all of this as we go through on the site itself, but we're running the Astra theme. Here, it says here you've got quick draft. Now, quick draft means that you can actually start a post in here by putting anything you want. When you've done, I use it as a reminder. So if you've got something on your mind and you happen to be in your dashboard area and you think to yourself, I want to start, I've got an idea for a post, all you do is you can put the title in there, you click, put some text in there, you save it as a draft, and that will then show up in your posts section later on. That's how you can do a quick draft there. So if we take that out of there, coming down, we can pretty link quick add. You can put the pretty links is a link that you can use to track all of your links within WordPress, and again there'll be more of that there. What it looks like is that there, and for every post that you do, post or page that you want to make a pretty link for, you can get a link to it just there. So that's what you can do with it, and it tells you their WordPress events that are coming up. And if you don't want to have those, you can get rid of them. You can do what you want with it. But that's what you can do in your WordPress dashboard area. If you like this video and you want to get notified of more, then hit the bell button and you'll get notified of every video link, every video that gets uploaded to this channel. And if you want to just like the button so it helps with the rankings, all well and good. Thank you very much indeed for watching.